Take a ride in the 2019 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Come see the car for yourself.